Sure. Hello guys, this is Likith, banking trainer, ProSpiders Rajajinagar. Today we are with us one of our student who got placed in a reputed company. He is about to share his experience about ProSpider, how he got into and how he got his dream job.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thanks. My name is Sheshadri. I am from Chintamani. I'm currently staying in Bengaluru. I'm joined in ProSpiders in September. I have a great experience in ProSpiders. I would like to thanks to Likith Sir and HR man. And I attend so many classes like SQL, aptitude, and next, banking, attending the grooming classes like banking and aptitude. It is helpful to crack the interviews in
All the best for your future. Have a wonderful career.
thank you.